What the frick is this? Oh, hell no. I'm cooked. Wait, secret? Wait, hold on. Down. What the hell, bro? Yo, Sir Doington, what's good? What's good? Welcome in. Goddamn. Oh, secret! Wait, what? You gotta be joking. Bro. Come on, man. There gotta be something. Hold on, man. We gotta work something out. Bro, we gotta work something with this. Bro. Damn. This level's too goddamn long. Yeah, I be tapping like crazy on this thing. I don't know. No secret way? Dang, you got me with that. What is that? Bro, what is this? Oh, hell no. What is that? Oh. Oh, chat, look at me. Yo, chat, look at me go. No way this works. There's no way this works. Chat. Oh my god. Yo, we doing it. Come on, please. This got to work. This gotta work. There's no way this doesn't work. There's no way. This is actually genius. Wait, no, don't go up there. If this works, I might have a chance, chat. Come on. Wait. No! Bro, come on! God dang it, bruh. Come on. Something! Something! Please! Oh my god. Bro, please, bro. Oh no, I gotta keep deleting. Damn it! Now I'm back at the beginning. Yeah, no swag, chat. We almost had it. We're about to get some swag, bruh. And what is that timing? That timing's so weird. I've never seen a timing like that before. Yo! Welcome in, Fatane! What's good? What's good? Welcome in. Welcome in. Poor little noob, damn. I made that spider section thinking on you. Wait, for real, bro? Yo, that was nice of you, bro. I really appreciate that. Bam. How do you... Wait, chat. Thinking about it. Nah. What? No way that's doable. Bro, what do you do? What? Wait, how did I do it before? It's only pixels. Oh! Yeah, this is going in the YouTube video. What the heck is that? Oh, that's cool, actually. I like this part. This is fire. Yeah, that's... Wait, hold on. Hold up, what is that? Oh, wait, hold on. What? But you hit that. W, Sir Doington, W. What is this? Bro. Yeah, yo, Mac, you're gonna see yours go in the video. bro. Damn, this is actually hard. You hit 1, 2. Oh, dang it! I forgot to check. No, that's my bad, chat. Yes. Wait, can you do this? Does it legit work? Yes. Nice. 1. Oh my. Yo, this is tight. Oh god. Yo, that is hard. Oh, we did it. We did it. Wait. Yo, I gotta flip. Bro, my screen is flipping, man. I can't barely see what's going on. Oh, we did it, though. Hold on. Oh, this is the chill part. Oh. Okay. Alright. Wait, how is this only 10%? Oh, thank God. Next layout with no decoration is kind of better. Oh, yeah. No layout with no decoration. It's simple and, like, nice, you know? This looks painful. Yeah, this is actually painful. Yeah, this sucks. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This ain't, like, the best. Like, it could be better. I'm not gonna lie. But for layout, you know, it has some pretty good potential. Hold on. Wait. Hey! 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 Yeah! Why it sound like that? Damn! Damn! Yeah! Yeah! Hold up. What is this? What is that? What? What is hold on. Oh, yo. How did I do that? What am I doing? Yo, I'm legit just spamming right now. What? Okay. Drop time. Yo, it's a long level. This is a really... You saw first in the comments, that was kind of nostalgic. Yeah, I miss the old... Yo, I miss... Like, yo... It's so cool looking at the old videos you make, y'all. Bro, trust me, it's cool. Practice mode for level? Alright, bet. Yo, I could do that. Wait, that goes up way too high. But that's way better. Can we do this? No, you can't. Wait, can you do... There we go. Okay. Yeah, chat, we're gonna be in for a long ride. Yeah, we're not even 1/4 of the way. Oh, now we are. Wow. How high up? Damn. Okay, that was clean. I ain't gonna hold you. That was clean. Alright. What? I click it. Oh, I hate pop. Like one tap. Yeah, like that. I just gotta stabilize everything, chat, you know? Yeah. When things get stable, we'll bring it back. What? Oh, okay, I kinda get that. Okay, this is a cool ship part. I don't know how I almost just did that whole ship part in one go. Oh, you recommend practice for your level? Alright, bet. Nice. Okay, we gotta go slowly down here. Okay. Damn. Damn. Oh, you spamming? Nah, let me stop. I don't feel like doing that. Wait, what the hell? Yo. Yo. Hey. Hold up. Yo. Yo. Rapping on fast. About to get my pass. About to go get it. It's about to be the last. I'm trying to get you on, and I'm trying to get it. Ends. Wait, it ends here? Probably along that bridge. Oh. Alright. Cool. Yeah, there's no way. Alright. That was cool, though. That was actually a fire level. That was sick. That was really sick. That's an 8 star. That's an 8 star. That's way too hard.